Hearst Carpentry, formerly known as Boomy World, a fast-growing carpentry works and renovation company. With more than 100 successful medium and big scale every year. Harmonized, experience, responsible, and satisfaction value guaranteed for the client makes Hearst Carpentry the #1 in delivering 100% perfection in term of quality. Project timeline. After sales service and warranty. Engaging Hearst Carpentry for your renovation will save you a lot of money on the carpentry portion of your renovation, and save your time and hassle of coordinating multiple parties, by providing you a single point of contact for your renovation. Hearst Carpentry. First-class service and quality products. For everyone's satisfaction.